Okay. So, first bite. First bite for you. Okay, go eat it. Bless you.
Cheers.
Nom, nom, nom.
Bombastic side eye, criminal of
Hello?
My nose. I feel like it's not even that hot. It's not even that spicy.
Challenge.
Wow.
I think this is stupid.
My nose is sweating. It's too like hot. I don't know if I can handle the spice. Yeah. What? Okay, stop yapping now. Should we put some? Should we try? Wait, I will show them. No, wait. Oh, I can't open. I don't even have to eat it. Okay. Girl, get it. You feel it. Okay. Girl, eat it with the noodles.
Yeah, but it was good.
I'm gonna grab a tiny spoon. Sorry for blocking the view, guys. Girl, don't eat it. 'Cause they can see you. They can see your big back face. Look, guys, there's egg. It's so hot in our house. It's a bite. Okay, here.
Where's the water?
Kali, why not drink it? Wait, we have... This big back needs to eat. I mean drink. Here. You drink it already?
Put it back. You did not do cheers.
We already did.
Oh.
No, you are. So like, then this will update like, can we get Gordy now? I have like 90 research on him. Like, yeah, I need that. I need it right now.
Okay, can we just add some air?
Who's a tiny spoon? How many research do you have on Gordy?
770.
Or 80 because We got her earlier. Oh my god, so many. Show them first. I'm gonna show them. Look, guys. Taco, taco, taco.
That's what you said.
Hmm? Girl, eat this man.
I will show you what you see.
Should we say bye now?
Oh, yeah.
My last bite, guys. Bye, guys. Say bye.
Bye-bye.